Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 151 centimeters to feet. Are you curious about how to convert 151 centimeters to feet? It's a simple and useful skill to master. Whether you're tackling a project that demands precise length measurements or just keen on understanding different measurement units, this video is your step-by-step guide. Firstly, let's get familiar with the conversion factor. 1 foot is equivalent to 30.48 centimeters. To convert from centimeters to feet, you simply divide the number of centimeters by this conversion factor. Now, let's dive into an example. Suppose we want to convert a length of 151 centimeters to feet. We begin by dividing 151 by the conversion factor of 30.48. The result is approximately 4.95472 feet. To break this down into feet and inches, we'll separate the whole number from the decimal. The number 4 signifies the full feet, while the remaining decimal, 0.95472, indicates a fraction of a foot. Since 1 foot contains 12 inches, we'll convert the fractional part into inches by multiplying it by 12. Thus, 0.95472 feet is approximately 11.45664 inches. Combining these gives us 4 feet and 11.45664 inches, which we can round to 4 feet and 11.46 inches for simplicity. Mastering the conversion between centimeters and feet can greatly enhance your ability to handle various length measurements. With some practice, these conversions will become second nature, allowing you to apply them confidently in numerous scenarios. If you found this tutorial beneficial, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more enlightening content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.